Insulin resistance, as you can see in the picture, happens 30-20 years before the cardiac event like angina or LVF or acute MI. This is called as euglycemic dyslipidemia. Number of cardiac patients are seen with normal blood sugar but with high LDL levels and low HDL level and high triglycerides. Insulin resistance in the local adipose tissue and liver causes the excessive cholesterol and triglyceride synthesis. Blood sugar fast. Insulin resistance is seen from the age of 20 years, between the age of 20 to 70 years, because of very poor sleep pattern, lack of sleep, and excessive more than 6 to 8 hours of sitting, sedentary habits, and taking a highly processed, refined carbohydrates diet is causing insulin resistance. Blood sugar, random blood sugar, HbA1c are normal. As you can see in this diagram, they can, because of the number of factors that are associated, the coronary artery disease progresses, atheroma forms, atherosclerosis develops. So we need to evaluate for every patient with cardiac with a HOMA-IR and triglycerides to glucose index, because root cause is insulin resistance. So unless we understand the fat cell or lipid homeostasis, treatment for insulin resistance is sleeping for good sleep 8 hours, and every Indian must walk 10,000 steps every day from the age of 20 to 70 years. Third is 7 p.m. should be the last diet. For Indians, 7 p.m. every Indian should have a last dinner of at 7 p.m. As long as the carbohydrate receptor protein is there in the adipose tissue, it increases the glucose sensitivity. So there will be absorption of the glucose into the adipose tissue. This will happen because of the carbohydrate receptor protein increases the glucose absorption into the fat cell and conversion into lipids. This is called a de novo lipogenesis. The insulin plays a major role here. Insulin resistance can be reduced by low glycemic index foods like non-starchy vegetables. That is, other than potato, compulsory everybody should take.